welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick little review for you guys. Qyksonic actually reached out to me and sent me their Zoe cleaner, and I am excited to share with you guys. I've been playing around with it for the past few months and testing it out. So I used to use my Qyksonic brush a lot, but I stopped using it because I started noticing my skin started to get a bit dry and tender, and so I needed to use products that were more sensitive and simple, especially for my skin because it was becoming so sensitive. And so I was really excited to test out this Zoe cleaner. It's the product that Qyksonic has, and because it talks about how gentle it is to the skin. So Zoe is a sonic brush. You do have power on it. You just press the simple power button right there, and then to the left and right of that there's like I guess the strength setting, and there's 15 different settings to make it stronger or lighter, depending on your preference and depending on like what your skin can take. And this part, the front part, which is the floral pattern and it's the flat side, is the part that you use for cleansing. And like the bristles right here are super soft, and everything is made out of silicone. And then in the back, you have the massager, and pretty much what this side is used for is to massage any of your like creams into the skin or oils, which is really great. I've been using both sides as a part of my routine, and I really love the cleansing because it is super gentle on the skin. It's a really light exfoliating. I wouldn't say it's like a really strong exfoliator, but it gently cleanses the skin and clears out those pores. And what I love about this product is that, one, it lasts up to 3 years, so that is a great bang for your buck. Compared to some of the other stuff that like suppose Qyksonic, you would have to change out the brushes like every 3 months. And the reason why you have to change out the brushes for Qyksonic is because bacteria builds up over time, and then also the bristles wear out. But with this, the bristles do not wear out because it's silicone, and it stays bacteria free because of the silicone base. And like I said, not only is it delicate on the skin, it is super hygienic. It's actually 35 times more hygienic than a regular brush cleanser. And on top of that, the reason why it's so like hygienic, it's because it's actually medical grade silicone that they've used to create this product. It's so super hygienic that you can actually share this with someone else, and all you have to do is just rinse it off afterwards. So what I've been using the massager side for is I've been using it actually when I apply my night masks or my vitamin E oil that I use regularly as a part of my skincare routine, and it's been doing wonders because normally I use my finger pads because I don't want to like pull at my skin or tug at it, but this has been super gentle and it actually has been doing a better job of massaging it into the skin. And you have to like use a rolling motion to get it into the skin, and I think it really does a great job in a way that my skin is absorbing more of the moisture rather than coming off of my fingers. This is not a battery operated product, which is great. That means you don't have to go and keep buying more batteries, but you can simply charge it with a regular USB cord, and it comes with one already, which is perfect because when you're thinking about it, you're making a pretty decent investment with this, but it lasts 3 years and you don't need to go out and buy more batteries. So it's like this one-time fee and you've got this good for 3 years. Another benefit to this product, which I guess differentiates itself from the Qyksonic brush or any like brush head cleaners, is that usually brushes, they tend to be a little bit more rough on the skin and create microabrasions, so they like to pretty much small tears on the skin. This is super gentle and it does not do that. And again, I think I cannot get enough of how gentle it is and how durable it is. It's a durable, gentle machine. And the last thing I have to point out is the shape of this thing. Like, it looks funny and cute, but it's actually super beneficial. It gets into all these little crevices right here, into all the tough corners that you normally would have a hard time using like a circular or a round brush. This goes into every little corner, and the bristles go all the way to the tip, so you're getting like cleansing in all the areas or moisturizing in all the areas that you sometimes can miss. So I love this product. I'm super excited to have it and I can't get enough of it. I think I'm gonna get my husband on it too though, because I'm tired of having like the old Qyksonic brushes that we don't use anymore, and then these little like foam pads that we've been using to cleanse our face. I think this is so much better and it's so worth the investment. It lasts 300 uses per charge. It's super hygienic. It gets into the tight spots, gentle on the skin. You don't have to change your head. And I almost forgot, it comes in different colors. So if you're a fan of like yellow, pink, blue, whatever, there's a rainbow selection of colors. And the retail value is only $1.99. And that's $1.99 for freaking 3 years, as opposed to switching out heads or buying pads to clean your face. And right now, I looked on the website, it's actually on sale for $149. So I think this is definitely a steal. So that's it for this quick review. I hope you guys found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And until next time, guys, remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Bye. Mwah. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah. And guess what? So that's it for this quick review. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And I almost forgot, but it actually comes in a huge selection of colors. So if you love your yellow, your blue, your pink, whatever, or if you want to color coordinate with your bathroom, yeah, they got options.
Color coordinate with your bathroom, is that what you said?
Yes.